This is the Dreo Smart Humidifier, where you can choose cool mist or warm mist. The top is easily removed and replaced, and the opening is really large, so you can refill it very easily. There's a spigot thingy on top where you can actually change the direction of the flow of the mist. The digital display is really bright and intuitive. The first button is your power button. The second one is the mist flow. The third one is your mist temperature, whether you want it cool or warm. The fourth button is your auto button. You can automatically have it turn on, say if you want to keep your room at 50% humidity level. And then the fifth button, you hold that down for 5 seconds to pair it with your phone or with the Dreo app. And then the last button is your sleep function. And everything that you can do on the panel, you can also do within the Dreo app, including set timers, scheduling, get reminders of when to clean the unit, and if you have a filter installed, you can get reminders to change the filter. Also, to set general ambience. It's packed with features you will actually use, and it connects with your Alexa devices.